Right, so here we go with a chest of drawers. 5 drawers. Looks pretty good actually. Bit wobbly. I think what we've got is feet on 2 of the corners and not the others. Anyway, so drawers are a bit. So let's take these out and take a further look. Something's not right. And they're all the same, so you can probably tell, I'm not sure the camera's going to pick this up, but in here we've got loads of dust, so that gives us a bit of a clue as to what's going on. This is probably one up from IKEA. So, if we look a bit closer, if we go in, you can clearly see what's been going on here. Sort of lumps of dust. Wood, kind of sawdust everywhere. So what has been happening is the drawers, or possibly the runners, I guess they had this groove in originally, but they've been eaten away. I think it's the runners maybe. This could be the actual wear actually. So what we're gonna have to try and do, firstly hoover all this out, is fix these so they're a bit smoother to run on. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. First of all, we just need to hoover. Right, so that's the hoovering done. Let's move on to the next step and put in something on the runners, possibly it's going to help them travel. Right, so what we've got is car polish. I was looking for a candle wax will do the same thing. If you're a bit more involved, you could probably varnish these nice, but we're just going to use some old car polish wax. Get that on. I'm using a tissue because I don't really want this stuff on a cloth. So that should help the drawer runners. Both sides. Alright, so that's that done. Let's pop in the top one. See what we get. Alright, let's pop that in. It runs a bit better, obviously we've got this unevenness, which we need to put up. I'd say that does run better. Might just pop some on the top. Why not? that one. Go around and do this one. That's better. May not look it, but trust me. So we're going to do the rest of the drawers now. I'm going to turn it, pull it forward and then let it go down its back. Right, as you can see hopefully, what looks to be going on is we've got a bit of a chunk of wood coming off there, but there seems to be a let's get that out. A foot. So that was what was causing all the unevenness. Right, so we have now taken that foot off, and if we take this off, we've glued that bottom bit of wood that was sticking out. So we just bring the piece back up without dropping it on my toes. There we go. Solid as a rock. And the drawers are all nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another one.